Good evening, guys. All right, it's January 27th and we are in my garage. Guess what is happening? The Rwdyaudi has gotten a package from Traction Concepts. And that would be because we are officially collaborating with Traction Concepts. So I am super stoked to be opening my package. I bought an LSD for the Rwdyaudi. All right, so I guess first things first. Let's open it. I want to see what it is. I want to see what this looks like. Anyway, let's get at it. And I will make sure to put a link in the description for Traction Concepts. There is a promo code that you can enter and you guys can get 10% off at checkout. Make sure to check that out. The link will be in the description below. Let's finish opening it. Ooh, what do we got? Oh. We got stickers, yes. It's a lot. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Hold on. That is where all the magic happens right there. That's all the magic. That is the LSD. So who's lost right now? Who doesn't know? Raise your hand. Let me know in the comments below it. Whatever second this is, if you guys are officially lost of what this awesome little thing, well, at least where it goes. Hold that thought 1 second. All right. This is what's inside of the rear differential. Actually, and sort of, this right here is also inside the front diff of your transmission. Get a little creative with your mind and you can see that is the front. But this is the rear diff gear as a whole. This thing goes in there. I think it goes like this actually, yeah. This thing goes in there. And basically what this does is, this has got these little springs in here and it allows a certain amount of slip and pressure that's always on this. I don't know all the physics here, but I do know that we can Google them. All right, now that we Googled how an LSD works, how do we get this in there? Well, the dirty way is after you have this all out of your rear gear, there's a little hole right there. That drives this pin out. Well, once that pin's out, then this pin right here will slide out and out comes all the guts inside here, and then you put this in there and you reassemble. Sort. That's like the super shortened kind of method of telling somebody how it's done. There's a lot that goes into this. You actually got to take some measurements. There's some instructions. There's some instructions in the box that you got to read, which we have not read yet. As you can see, they are so neatly folded up still. Use the link in the description below and go over to tractionconcepts.com. Check out LSDs. You can use the link in the description below and use the promo code JackTrack10 at checkout. You guys will get a 10% off coupon instantly just for entering that promo code. That's a quick version. The right version, I'm actually gonna do a video on, start to finish, every step to put this in your car. Luckily for me though, I do have a machine shop that I can go to, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna try to do every ounce of it right here in this little space. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure to smash that subscribe button and you'll get notified when all that goes up. And if you found value in this video and you're definitely interested in a Traction Concepts LSD, make sure to smash that like. Let me know in the comments below what car you're gonna get a Traction Concepts LSD for. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.